Shh! Can you hear the jungle? Wow! Here comes a lion! Roar! Tiny ladybird flying so fast. Look at the lion's confused face. Silly lion. Oh, what's that shiny letter? It's the big glowing L. Can you say it with me? L, L, L. L is for lion. Look, the lion smiles. No more scary roar. And look, the ladybird is flying in circles. Now it's landing on the lion's nose. Cross eyes, can you see it too? Let's sing together. L, 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 ladybird. L says L. Can you say it? L, L, L. L is for lion. L is for ladybird. L is for leaf. L is for lollipop. Wow! Bounce with the L words. L, 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 lion. L, 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 ladybird. Clap your hands.